Panahon na nga para sanayin ang bagong henerasyon ng mga mamamahayag. Sa University of the Philippines, Diliman, lumahok ang mga mag-aaral mula sa iba't ibang universidad sa buong bansa upang magpakitang gilas sa larangan ito. Naritong ulat ni Ara Perez.
Crash line claim and has ignored Philippines' move to actually legally.
Tila panahon na nga upang hubugin ang bagong henerasyon ng mga mamamahayag. Ito ang nais ipahiwatig ng ikatlong Philippine Journalism Research Conference na may layong simulan na ang paghahanda para sa mga nais maging mamamahayag. Hindi naging hadlang ang paglawig ng social media upang piliin ng mga kabataang ito ang larangan ng pamamahayag.
It's good to know that young people, especially given the internet, have become interested in journalism in the sense that the internet has rapidly spread the information around and there's a big audience. The interest of today's young people from the Philippines on journalism had never waned. That is despite the fact that this is not a rich man's profession. And it's nice to see young people from a country that who are still very much interested in journalism.
Ayon kay Opiñano, sa murang edad pa lamang ay dapat taglayin na ng mga kabataan ang pagiging patas at malaya kung nais nilang maging mamamahayag.
So they should be fair, balanced, and accurate. They should be independent, more importantly, because people believe in journalists who do not have any faction and they try their best to tell the truth, base their truth on facts, do some research, and be loyal to citizens, telling the facts straight.
Samantala, naniniwala naman si Rachel Khan ng UP Department of Journalism na hindi batayan ang pagkakaroon ng licensure exams para sa mga nagsipagtapos ng pamamahayag upang maging profesional ang larangan. Ayon kay Khan, mas dapat pagtuunan ng pansin ang tuluyang pagsasabatas ng Freedom of Information Bill.
Well, it's a 27-year struggle. There has been several attempts to get it passed, so hopefully this administration will keep its promise and pass the FOI bill. Licensure does not mean professionalism. It is not. You cannot use that as an equivalent or a description. Professional is how a person acts and how he protects the industry by his own efforts to be ethical and credible.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Ara Perez.